Have you ever considered the remarkable connection between the choices you make and the outcomes you experience? There's a powerful force at play in the universe that transcends borders and beliefs, the law of sowing and reaping. Often summed up with a phrase, "As you sow, so shall you reap," this cosmic law illuminates the profound link between our actions and their consequences. Imagine your life as a garden where every thought, word, and deed you plant becomes a seed that eventually blossoms into your reality. Join us on this exploration of the law of sowing and reaping and discover how it's like the ultimate gardener of your destiny. Seeding the cosmos, the law of sowing and reaping isn't some abstract concept confined to ancient scrolls. It's a living, breathing principle that influences the very fabric of our existence. Just like a diligent farmer who sows seeds in the soil, our intentions, emotions, and actions sow seeds in the universe. These seeds, laden with our unique energetic imprints, gradually sprout and bring forth corresponding events and circumstances. In other words, your life today is a direct result of the seeds you've sown in the past. This law isn't just about cause and effect. It's about understanding the symphony of creation. Just as each note played by a musician contributes to the overall melody, each choice you make contributes to the symphony of your life. Whether you're aware of it or not, you're a composer shaping your reality with every thought and action. Intention. The magic ingredient, imagine intention as the secret sauce that gives your actions a flavor the universe can't resist. Your intentions infuse your actions with a particular vibration that resonates across time and space. When you act with love, compassion, and positivity, you're broadcasting signals that attract similar energies back into your life. Conversely, if your intentions are soaked in negativity, you might find yourself entangled in a web of challenges and setbacks. Think of intentions as the compass of your journey. They guide your ship through the turbulent waters of existence, determining the destinations you reach and the experiences you gather along the way. With this compass in hand, you hold the power to navigate your life toward the shores of fulfillment and purpose, cultivating your cosmic garden. So, how can you wield this cosmic law to your advantage? Start by becoming a master gardener of your destiny. Cultivate mindfulness and awareness, tending to the thoughts and emotions you plant in the soil of your consciousness. Like a gardener weeding out unwanted plants, identify and uproot negative patterns that hinder your growth. As you plant seeds of positivity and generosity, watch how your garden flourishes. Nurture the soil with acts of kindness, gratitude, and love, and you'll witness a vibrant array of opportunities and blessings sprouting before you. Remember, just as a single seed can yield a bountiful harvest, your smallest efforts can create profound shifts in your life. Harvesting a life of abundance as the seasons of your life change, you'll start reaping what you've sown. The law of sowing and reaping ensures that your intentions and actions, whether grand or seemingly insignificant, return to you in due time. So, when the harvest arrives, embrace it with open arms. Rejoice in the love, success, and fulfillment that you've nurtured into being. The law of sowing and reaping is more than a principle. It's an invitation to become an active participant in the creation of your reality. Your thoughts, intentions, and actions are the seeds that shape your destiny, and with each planting, you're crafting a unique masterpiece that reflects your inner landscape. Embrace this cosmic dance and watch as your life transforms into a lush, thriving garden of abundance and joy. Ready to plant your cosmic garden? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's nurture our intentions together. Remember, every thought and action is a seed, shaping your universe. Share your seed to harvest moments in the comments below. We'd love to celebrate your wins. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing cosmic revelations. Until next time, keep sowing, keep growing, and keep embracing the magic of the law of sowing and reaping.